Here I have Realme Narzo 10, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So first of all, you will have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then slide it down to turn it off. After your device turns off completely, you just have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for about a few seconds. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume down. And that's how you enter recovery mode. Here at the recovery mode, firstly you'll have to select your language. Let's select English. You can navigate using volume keys, and using power key you can select options, but you can also use just screen. And here at the recovery mode you have such options like install from storage, online update, wipe data, reboot and power off. So if you want to exit this mode, you can select the last option, power off, and just turn off your device, or you can select an option, reboot, and restart your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.